The conventionally powered aircraft carrier USS Kitty Hawk, CV-63, was towed away from the Navy's shipyard at Bremerton, Washington on 15 January 2022 under a somber fog that occasionally shrouded the upper reaches of the massive vessel. Kitty Hawk and the retired carrier USS John F. Kennedy were considered the last two American aircraft carriers suitable for use as museum ships because of their conventional power. Nuclear aircraft carriers require substantial structural disassembly to remove their nuclear reactors, rendering them unsuitable for use as museum ships. Efforts to save Kitty Hawk as a museum did not succeed, and the carrier is to be scrapped in Brownsville, Texas. Kitty Hawk, the Navy's last commissioned conventionally powered aircraft carrier, operated for 48 years before it was decommissioned in 2009. These evocative scenes provide a setting in which to contemplate and salute the thousands of Navy personnel who served aboard Kitty Hawk since 1961. I'm Fred Johnson, and you are watching the Airailimages channel. If you appreciated this video, please subscribe to Airailimages. Thank you.